thing we're gonna do is take off this clamp, take off this bolt, to pull this off and get this out the way. Just a regular flathead Phillips screwdriver. Be able to take that off. I decided not to take this clamp off because it won't get in the way. Move that over to the side. Now we can focus on the next thing. Next, we're gonna attach this bolt and this bolt. So you're aware there's another bolt right here that's holding this top down. So make sure you take that out. Okay, so once you've loosened up your 3 screws, you should be able to just pop this bad baby out, just like this. Just be careful not to bump the wrong thing. Probably had us out if I didn't have to hold the camera, but I sit the camera down and use both hands.